Whoa,
That's
this is
throwing up on the freaking floor.
So we're making a little bit of a mess
trippy.
here.
This is
Dude,
trippy.
come on, let's go.
I can drink another one. Oh boy. Oh, I think I'm normaling out now.
Hey, what is up guys, Merganman4 here, and today I thought I'd do a little bit more Redstone stuff on Blackdawn Valley survival. And so basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding in this piston doorway into the wall over here that will lead towards an area where we'll be having a bunch of mob spawners so that we can do some XP grinding, because I've been using up a lot of my XP and I really need a quick way to get some more. So basically I'm just going to dig into this wall, add a neat little piston door, just, you know, spice things up a little bit, and then I'll start building the actual XP room itself. So I think I'm going to time-lapse this. I've already done the design in a single-player world, so I know what I'm going to be doing, and here we go. Frick. Well, I may have forgotten that due to claim restrictions, I cannot do this quite yet. I have to get Prince Bosco to extend the claim area. So, yeah, well, that's a bit of a downer. If I'd remembered that. Alright, I'll return shortly when I can get Bosco to fix that up a bit.
There. Oh crap, I
How
can't
did I
do it.
break a block into the area?
What?
You extended your claim as I broke a block.
No, I can't extend it. It says can't size here because it would overlap another nearby claim.
Oh, come
AKA
on.
Great.
That would be fine.
Come
Oh well,
off it.
sorry Mike, I tried.
No, you gotta do it. You need the secret door.
What do
Wait,
I get if I
why
drink this?
Jama Joe say thank you, Doctor Who boy?
You get these.
Yeah, why do you say thank you? What did you do to him?
Did you do him a
give some
favor?
money? Ooh, what kind of favor?
The sexual.
I like how you say that when you're holding a unicorn horn, which is very suggestive. So what do I get if I drink this? If this is a bad idea. You at least let me get to my golden apples. Please. Oh god. Oh boy. This isn't good. This isn't good. This isn't good.
Background noise!
I just so much background noise.
He's at a train station, a railway.
I can't even hear you anymore.
Whoa. I think it wore off. I think. Nope. No, I'm a little nauseous. Okay now.
Type something in chat. Type something really long.
There. Well, that's not exactly what I meant to say. But I think you get the idea of what I tried to say.
And drink more.
Oh my god. Mike,
I've got it. Whoa,
That's
this is
throwing up on the freaking floor.
So we're making a little
This
bit
is
of a mess
trippy.
here.
This is
Dude,
trippy.
come on, let's go.
I can drink another one. Oh boy.
Oh,
Oh, I think I'm normaling out now. Nope, I'm throwing up a bit more.
You don't know, you just keep throwing
No,
up.
no, I'm still drugged. Still drugged.
Oh my goodness, this is terrible.
Like, you're so
Whoa.
Morgan, what would you rate this stuff out of?
Out of
No, you have to
what?
type it in chat. You have to type it in
yeah.
chat.
Chance. But something like there's a neat sign that says fail on it.
I don't know. Okay, 19 out of 70.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I would agree. All right.
Okay, well, basically, Bosco put a little bit of effort into trying to extend the claim, but not really too much, and he promptly gave up. So, the only way I'm going to be able to get this to work is if I move everything back one block. So, guess time for another time lapse. Okay, so I'm not really sure what this bug is, but I've had this bug when I was testing it in single player. There is nothing that should be giving this piston a signal right now, and yet here it is getting a signal. Yeah, like it's, as you can see, it's completely cut off from any other blocks, and it's still somehow receiving a signal. So I don't know what is up with this, and I can't quite remember how I fixed it in single player, but I'll work towards it a little bit more. Hopefully it can be fixed. Yeah, there we go. That's more like it. Now let's block this off, and I think I can shorten the time of these actually. I'm not sure by how much, but let's see. Yeah, there we go. Try to make it as quick as possible. Alright, seems good. Perfect. Now the only thing is, I don't entirely like this because, you know, it's a bit more obvious that there's something going on back there. It's a bit less subtle, but it's still completely functional, which is pretty cool. You flip the lever, it opens up, and then as you go in, you flip it closed again, and then you have to use this one to open it up, and you do the same thing. So, yeah, it's pretty cool, I think. Anyhow, basically, what I wanted to do is have this lead, it would have a hole here, and that would lead down to an XP grinder. I've got a whole bunch of spawners, as you can see in my private vault. We could put all those in, and that would just be a quick and easy way to be able to get some XP. I'm not sure of the design of that, but yeah, let's start on that a little bit. Skeleton. And, oh, two have spawned. Hello. Oh, shoot. You're gonna go down. I don't have any inventory room. Oh, now you've shot me with the flaming arrow, boy. Get out. I don't want my boots to die, though. That's the thing. Because they're very close to death. And where'd you go? And I can't repair them, which is very annoying because there are too many enchantments on it. So that sucks. Oh yeah, this is very difficult to resist. Get away! I'm trying to fix stuff. Oh, fine. Nope, nope, nope. Your side's done. Place down the moss stone. And now you're stuck there for good. Whoa! You guys spawned super quick. Holy crap. Okay, okay, here we go. No, don't catch me on fire. Alright, looking good, looking good. Also up here, I'm going to use a redstone torch for decoration as well. In any case, there should probably others in the last, because... Okay, so... It's looking like it's working well so far, though. That's good. Come on, place down, stop lagging. Now here's the thing. It's going to be a bit difficult to add to the design while these guys are spawning about. Come on, place already. Okay. Yeah, we're getting lots of variety. Oh, geez, they're trying to shoot me, and now they can't build there. Get out! they're all trying to shoot each other. And there we have it. It is done. So I guess now I'll show you the complete result. Flip the lever, open it up, and you can close it up behind you. Go down this little ladder here into the mossy cobbled dungeon. Open up the door, and there you go. You have your selection of skeletons and zombies. I'll have to figure out something to block these baby zombies. Maybe put up a couple of trap doors or something in front of these. But yeah, you can just kill away, gain yourself some good XP, and yeah, it's pretty nice system, I think. You drop your loot in the chest outside, and then you can just saunter back up the ladder and leave. Make sure you close the door behind you. Oh, I need another button. Ha! Alright, there we go. Problem solved. Drop your zombie loot in there. Skeleton loot in there. Go all the way back up. And here we go. Done. I actually quite like that system. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Unfortunately, I did have to do a little bit of tweaking because of the claim stuff. But I do think it turned out quite nicely. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process of me building it in our little base here. And yeah, I think this is going to probably be my last Blackdawn Valley video before we start building the kingdom. We're planning on doing that really quite soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe, it's greatly appreciated. And Mergenman for over and out. I'll see you guys later.